Prinalai belong him come. Good pela passing belong him to